Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 205 named isomorphic string. In this problem, we are given two strings and we have to determine whether they are isomorphic or not. Now, two strings are isomorphic if the character in the first string can be replaced to get the second string. Here, all occurrence of the character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of the characters. That means we cannot change the order of the characters. Suppose in the first example, here the first string is egg, EGG, and the second string is ADD, add. So here, if I replace E with A and replace two of the G with D, I can get ADD. So here we can say that string S and string T are isomorphic. But in the second example, it is not possible to become faux with isomorphic with bar. So in this case, we have to return false. But in the third example, the first string is paper and the second string is title. So here, if we replace the P with T, so this P and this P will become T. And if we replace A with I and E with L and R with E, we can say that paper will be equal to the title. So here, in this case, we have to return true. So here the constraint are, the string length can be in between 1 to 5 into 10 to the power 4. And both of the string length is equal. And string S and T consist of any valid ASCII characters. I hope you understood the problem. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, for the explanation, we have taken this third example, where the first string is paper and the second string is title. So now, as we have to determine whether the first string is isomorphic to the second string or not. So if we replace the P with T, and if we replace A with I, and if we replace E with L, and if we replace R with E, we can see that paper will become title. So we can say that paper and title both are isomorphic. Now, how can you solve this problem? So here, to determine whether two string is isomorphic or not, we have to maintain the relative order. That means we cannot change the order, or suppose we cannot replace this P here, or we cannot change the order of the original character. So we have to preserve all of the order or the index number of the original character. So here, to solve this problem, we will use a map data structure. Here, for the first string, as we all know that map store the value in a key value pair order. So here, first character is P. So the key is P and the value will be the occurrence number of P or the index number of P, which is 0 and 2. Similarly, for the character A, the string number will be 1. For the character E, the index number will be 3. And for the character R, the index number will be 4. So this is the entry of the first map. Now, similarly, we will do the second string. So here for the character 3, the index number will be 0 and 1. For the character I, the index number will be 1. For the character L, the index number will be 3. And for the character E, the index number will be 4. So this is the entry of the second map. Now, we will check whether the value of the corresponding element of two map is equal or not. Suppose in the first map, if we replace the character P with T, then we have to check whether the order of P and T are equal or not. So the order of the P is 0, 2, and the order of the T is also 0, 2. Sorry, there is a mistake. T appears here and here. So it is 0, 2. So we can say that the order of P is equal to the order of T. Similarly, the order of A is 1, the order of I is 1, the order of E is 3, the order of L is 3, and similarly, the order of R is 4, and the order of E is 4. So we can say that if we replace the corresponding element of the first string with the corresponding element with the second string, the order will be same. And hence, we can say that both of the string is isomorphic. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function and two string as a parameter. At first, we have to check whether the length of the true string is equal or not. If they are not equal, then we have to return false. Otherwise, we have to take toMap and store the occurrence of each character in a key value pair. After that, we have to check the occurrence is equal of the both of the string or not. If it is, then we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we are iterating through each character of the input string, and the space complexity is also big O of n because we are using extra memory map, and in the worst case, the size of the map can be equal to the size of the string. So here, the space complexity is big O of n. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.